is we're gonna be painting the hood. Elasticing. Hey guys, I'm Dane from Aveo Racing. Today we are going to be working on my hood of my car from it being rusting, so I'm going to sand it down and spray paint it so it stops from rusting. Let me get my stuff together and we'll be right back. Is this thing working? Let's get into it. I'm using my triangle one is because I don't have any 220 sandpaper for my orbital one, so we're using my triangle one. Trying to get right here, but every time I get right here, I keep sliding off and hitting this side.
No. What'd you tell the camera?
So, dent right here, that's a dent we don't talk about at all. Sorry, the camera died. Now, we're rubbing this down with rubbing alcohol. So, we're using black primer and stops rust. Very good. Always put on a mask when you're spray painting. Paint is now tacked up. There's not going to be no runs. Now we are working on my grill and getting it fixed. Well, we'll move on to a different spot because we gotta fix a couple of broken things. Mainly these hinges for the bumper to stay on. They are bent, obviously, the wrong directions it needs to be. On this side, it's more messed up. So, yeah. More research for me. So, while I'm waiting for the parts that I ordered from there, DNA Motoring hooked me up with a mirror so I can get my mirror fixed. Check it out. Nice and wrapped up. Nice and brand new. Got very gentle.
Press it in. Press it in. Press it in.
I'm trying.
You know what?
Huh?
Done.
Yep. Yeah.
Installed.
Installed. Motor by Motor hooked me up with a set of brake rotors. So now I gotta go order myself some brake pads. Alright, well, I didn't realize what time it was. Got school in the morning. Gotta get home, guys, to get a shower, and see you guys later when I'm back here at the shop working on the Aveo. Peace.